Welcome to Randy Tech Solution channel, where different secrets are being revealed on how to make money online, including the best strategy that can give you an edge in the marketplace, ranging from forex trading, e-commerce, tech, and other IT related businesses, and so on. Welcome to another review and update on the Signal Machine Plus Scalping Pro. Alright, yeah, we are on our 4 hours time frame, boom 1000 index. All right, this is volatility indices. Okay, today we'll be talking about a new brand strategy. All right, I discovered in the marketplace. All right, and I know with this strategy you will be very productive and profitable in the market. But before we get into the charts, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video to everyone on your contact lists and social media handles. Alright, this will make YouTube recommend this video to others. Alright, the first time during our review, alright, we discussed that the first thing, alright, to consider when using Signal Machine Plus Scalping Pro is to allow the market to get to the overbought level. Very, very important. You must allow the market get towards your overbought level first. Alright, this is the overbought level of the market. Alright, overbought level of the market is very important on if you're using 30 minutes time frame. Alright, this is the overbought level of the market. Okay, you must allow the market sell to the what? To the highest level of your resistance. Okay, it's very important. You must be able to identify this highest resistance level. Okay, to be able to know when to take a sell. Very important to identify these key levels. Okay, the overbought level, all right, of the market. For you to have a good sell in the market, for you to have a longer sell in the market, you must first of all consider what? The 4 hours time frame, getting to what? The overbought level. That is the secret. All right, the 4 hours time frame must get to what? The overbought level. All right, this is how the strategy works. Okay, so let me open this up a bit so that you can see it very well. All right, this is your resistance level. I seen it, the highest resistance level. I seen it. This is the highest resistance level of the market, and this is the support level of the market. Okay, this is support level. All right, this is another support level of the market. Okay, all right, there's a level here. We have to draw our trend line. I seen it, so this level here. Okay, so that we know where the market is going to stop. Okay, so that we know where the market is going to what? Stop, where we have to exit from the market. Is very important. So now take note of this. All right, let me open it a bit so that you see it now. All right, take note of this. After you have seen that the market has gotten towards the overbought level on 4 hours time frame, okay, the next thing to do is to draw what? Your two horizontal line. All right, you draw out your two horizontal lines you're seeing here. All right, very important. Okay, so this is the first horizontal line on the first layer of the indicator, and this is the second horizontal line on the second layer of the indicator. All right, so once you've done that, you switch towards your 30 minutes time frame. Okay, you then switch towards your 30 minutes time frame. So you switch towards your 30 minutes time frame. This is our 30 minutes time frame. Okay, all right, this is our 30 minutes time frame. All right, so let me shrink it a bit so that you see it very well. This is our 30 minutes time frame. Okay, you can see the two lines Okay, this is the first line at the first layer of the indicator. This is the second line at the second layer of the indicator on our 4 hours time frame. Okay, this is where you have to draw this line, these two horizontal lines. Okay, all right, and the vertical lines. Okay, so now we know that, all right, from here, this first line here is our arrow 1, which is our first resistance level, and the second line is our arrow 2, which is our second resistance level. Okay, you can as well move to your 5 minutes time frame and take a sell. Okay, you can take a sell. Let me show you. This is the first arrow 1, the first line on our arrow 1. all right, this is the second line on our arrow 2. Okay, so you can as well go to your 5 minutes time frame and take a sell. Okay, from here to here, selling from your arrow 1 to your arrow 2, and take profit immediately it touch this line. You take your profit. You don't stay in the market. Immediately you touch the line, you take your profit. You can sell this and leave the market here and wait again for another retest here. You can wait again for another retest here. All right, so now there is a retest here. Now I seen it. Okay, I can place another trade because I'm seeing that there is a retest here. All right, on the second line to continue going down. Okay, to continue going down. Let's go to our 30 minutes time frame. All right, this is our 30 minutes time frame. Okay, you can see on your 4 hours, on the 4 hours time frame, you can see where we draw our two horizontal lines on the first layer of the indicator and the second layer of the indicator. All right, are you seeing it? So that's how it will work. All right, still on the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, all right, you can see the market is heading down. Are you seeing it? It will consolidate and move round and move round. Okay, it will curve down. All right, and keep on selling down. Are you seeing it? All right, so that's how it works. Okay, it's a new discovery. All right, so if you want to take a sell without any loss, consider the 4 hours time frame first if you want to take a sell without any loss. All right, so guys, note that you must consider first the consolidating curve on the first layer and second layer on your 4 hours time frame. Your 4 hours time frame, the first layer and second layer of your 4 hours time frame, which you can also make money from. Okay, which you can also make money from. All right, you can also make money from these two levels. All right, you can also make money from the levels in between first level and second level. Okay, arrow 1 and arrow 2, you can also make money from here to here. Take a sell from here to here. On our 30 minutes, you can see once it breaks in here, you can take a sell from here, all right, to here, to this line here, the second arrow 2. All right, and leave the market and wait for another consolidation, okay, to happen. All right, for the market to retest on this second line, on the second horizontal line. Okay, all right, so the reset start after the first and second resistance level. The market keep on consolidating. All right, trace it out, you see it. I seen it. So the market keep on consolidating in between. I seen it in between the two layers until it will break through the second resistance level. All right, and start selling down. Okay, all right, so the market consolidates in between these levels you're seeing, in between the levels you're seeing. All right, the market consolidate in between this level, all right, until it will have what, it will retest on the second resistance level. Okay, and start selling fully. Okay, so this sell is going to take about 3 to 5 days, I think so, 3 to 5 days. all right, because what we are looking at is that the market will sell and hit here. Are you seeing it? The market will sell to this place. This is our next support level. All right, this is where we was expected to take our profits. You can see you can see my TP line. All right, my TP line here. All right, so you can see my TP line, TP. All right, you can see my TP line. This is where I'm going to take my profit. This is what I've made so far. All right, you can see the trade is on. Okay, you can see the trade is on. All right, and sorry, this is a demo account. Okay, all right, because it's I just have to make sure that the strategy is working very well before I start trading with it. Okay, all right, so this is a demo account. All right, so you can see I'm on $107. Okay, $107. I've shown you my entry points. I've shown you where to take your entry points. All right, the first layer and the second layer, all right, of your indicator. All right, all right, depend on where you want to sell from. Okay, depend on the kind of trade you love, if it's a short time trade or a long time trade. All right, here is the setup for the updated Signal Machine Plus Scalping Pro. All right, so they are almost the same thing, just few changes. Okay, all right, we have fractals here, which is the first 4 pixel purple color. All right, you can decide to use any color of your choice. Okay, the next one is Bollinger Band. All right, Bollinger Band is 8, that is period is 8, deviation is 0.100, shift is -2, apply to is high. All right, star is 4 pixel dark blue. All right, so that is it. So the second Bollinger Band, the period is 8, deviation is 0.100, shift is -2, apply to is low, star is 4 pixel dark blue. All right, so that is it. The third Bollinger Band is period is 8, deviation is 0.100, shift is 0, apply to is high, star is 4 pixel red. All right, all right, so that is it. So the next one is moving average. All right, moving average, period is 50, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to is close, star is 4 pixel red. Okay, that is it. So move to the indicator windows one. All right, MACD is 12, fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 2, apply to is close. All right, style main style is 4 pixel dark blue, signal is 4 pixel red. All right, levels is 0. All right, so you click on the levels. Okay, and enter this 0 second level, that is under the description, second level. All right, star is 4 pixel red. All right, so that is it. So you go back once and click done. Okay, all right, so that is it. We are on the second MACD. Okay, all right, fast EMA is 26, slow EMA is 12, MACD SMA is 1, apply to is close. All right, so style under style main is 4 pixel dark blue, signal is 4 pixel ash color. Okay, you click on the level which is 0, enter first level under this description. All right, 4 pixel. All right, ash color. All right, so that is that. You go back once and click done. So the third MACD, right, fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9. All right, under the indicator windows one. All right, apply to is close, main is 4 pixel dark red, signal is 4 pixel red. All right, distinguish between the two red, please. All right, so your levels is 0, description is second level. All right, then star is 4 pixel red. All right, go back once and click done. So we are done with the 3 MACD. Okay, relative strength index, which is under indicator windows 2. All right, period is 1, apply to is close, star is 1 pixel white. All right, then levels, click on your levels, enter 85, 15 and 50. Star, it should be 4 pixel red. Okay, all right, so that is that. We are on our indicator windows 2, commodity channel index. All right, which period is 850, apply to is typical price, just leave it the way it is. Okay, star is 3 pixel red. All right, then level, click on level, enter the following minus 100, 100. Okay, star is 1 pixel ash color. All right, so that is it. Okay, so we're on indicator windows 3, which will have our stochastic oscillator. K period is 5, D period is 3, slow is 3, price field is low or high, method is simple. All right, main is 1 pixel white, signal is 1 pixel white. All right, levels is just click on it and enter the following: 90, 85, 80, 55, 50, 45, 20, 15 and 10. All right, so your star is 2 pixel black, 2 pixel black. Okay, then enter this under description. Okay, 90 should go with sell at resistance, 50 should go with take profit, 10 should go with buy at support. Okay, just enter this and go a step backward once and click done. Okay, so you're done with the stochastic oscillator. Then the next MACD under the indicator windows 3 is fast EMA is 10, slow EMA is 1000, MACD SMA is 1, applied to is close, main is 4 pixel dark blue. All right, signal is 4 pixel dark blue. Levels, click on levels and enter minus 90, 4 pixel dark blue. Okay, all right, so that is it. All right, so the next MACD, last MACD, okay, is fast EMA is 9, slow EMA is 1000, MACD SMA is 5. All right, main is 4 pixel dark blue, signal is 4 pixel red. Levels, click on levels and enter 0. All right, then 4 pixel red. All right, so that is it. That is it. Okay, once you're done with that, you're good to go. Make sure you subscribe, like and share this video around so that I can go viral. Tell me what you think about the Signal Machine Plus Scalping Pro.